Good morning, okay? Welcome to our reading class. This one is week number 29, and today we develop the topic that is the unit number 13, okay? And if you see, we can, let me see in the slide, we have a breath, yes? And in this case, in this unit, we talk about specifically breath. So let's see, let's start. Why breath arises? This one is the title of the unit, and okay, do you know how to make breath? Okay, maybe at home we can cook with my mom, okay, with moms, yes. Okay, maybe we bake cookies, cakes, or different things. But, okay, do you know how to make bread? In El Salvador, we have different kind of bread, yes, pan francés and pan dulce, yes, all of this one. So we name in that form. So maybe I suppose that we put in a bowl, okay, the ingredients, and then we can dissolve the sugar in warm water and also then stir the yeast. We mix salt and oil into the yeast, and then okay, we have the dough, and then we bake. In that form, we obtain the bread. This one is one idea, okay, but we don't know if it is in that form. Let's discover. But first one, we start with the vocabulary words. In that case, okay, so we study six. The first one is doubt, that in Spanish is masa. Then we have the flour, harina, mix, mezclar, bowl, this one is a container, okay, un contenedor hondo, un depósito hondo, rice, crecer, and then we have fluffy, this one is esponjoso, okay? All of these one are the vocabulary words. That's me. Number one, doubt. Let's repeat. Number two, flour. Number three, mix. Number four, bowl. Number five, rice. And number six, fluffy. Okay, excellent. So let's see. Now, okay, we have the different steps for baking bread. But in that case, okay, we circle the keywords that we study in this unit. Okay, the first step, get flour, sugar, egg, water, and yeast. That's mean we collect all the ingredients, yes? And in that case, one of the keywords is flour. So we circle, please. The second step is to put them in a bowl and mix them together. Okay, that's mean we put the flour, the sugar, eggs, water, and also the yeast. Okay, we mix all the ingredients in the bowl. That's mean we mix them together. Yes, this is step number two. And in the second step, we circle bowl because this one is part of the keywords and also mix. Yes. Then we have, okay, the step number three, put the dough in the oven and bake it. It will rise. Okay, first one we collect the ingredients. Then we put all the ingredients in a bowl and mix them. And the step number four, number three, okay, we put the dough in the oven and we bake it. In that case, we circle doubt because this one is the keyword that we use in that part. And also rice. It will rise. Esta crecerá. Okay? Then step number four, you will get fluffy loaves and bread. Yummy. Okay? When you say yummy, that means this one is delicious. Okay. So let's see. We circle fluffy because this one is another vocabulary words. Okay, excellent. So let's see. Now, why bread rises? And you have a big question here. How that bread rise? In that case, we can say that the yeast in the dough, it's the sugar and the flour. This one are two ingredients. And this creates gas and makes the dough rise. More gas come out when the dough is baked. This also makes the bread bigger. Okay, that's mean if we make the combination of a flour and a sugar, okay, this one create gas, and the gas, okay, helps that the bread, let me see, rises. Yes. Okay, so let's discover this information in the reading part. Bakeries always have a large loaf of bread. However, bread dough is much smaller, la masa de pan. How does it grow bigger? The answer is yeast. Okay, that's mean yeast is the main element, the main ingredient. Okay, what is the meaning of yeast? Levadura, es el ingrediente principal. To make bread dough, you need flour, sugar, water, eggs, and yeast. You mix them together in a bowl, then the yeast does its magic. After it eats the sugar and flour, it creates gas. The gas makes the dough rise. The sugar makes it rise faster, but if you add salt, it rises more slowly. Okay, this is important. That means if you mix the flour and the sugar, this one creates gas, and the gas makes the dough rise. That means the sugar makes it rise faster. Okay, so that's mean if you put sugar to the dough, this one rises faster. Yes, but if you put salt to the dough, this one rises slowly. Si le agregamos azúcar, la masa crece más rápido, pero si le agregamos sal, crece más despacio. Okay, so we understand this one in the reading part. Next, you put the dough in the oven. While it is there, even more gas comes out. When the bread is baked, it is big and fluffy. Yeast is very important. Without it, we can't make large, soft loaf of bread. That means if we don't add yeast to the dough, this one is not, good, because we don't have loaf of bread softly. Yes? Okay, excellent job. Let's see. Now we pass to the reading comprehension part. In that case, we develop the exercise A's and we choose the best answers. What is the main idea of the passage or of the reading? We have three options. There is sugar in bread dough, yeast makes bread grow bigger, or maybe bread loaves are big and fluffy. In that case, the best answer is yeast makes bread grow bigger, because we discussed that the main ingredient is yeast, and if we put sugar, this one grows is faster, and if we put salt, this one rises slowly. Yes. Okay, what do you not need to make bread dough? Okay, water, yeast, or an oven. In that case, an oven, exactly. Okay, you can put in a bowl water, yeast, egg, etc. But you can't put, okay, an oven in the bowl. No podemos poner un horno en el bowl. Okay, so this one is not good. Let's see. Number 3. What does yeast eat? Sugar and flour, sugar and gas, or flour and water? Okay, remember, we mentioned two ingredients in the passage. What does yeast eat? In that case, the yeast eat sugar and flour. Exactly. Okay, sugar and flour. Number 4. The yeast in bread dough makes gas. Exactly. Okay, the combination, okay, of sugar and flour makes gas. Good job. Okay, let's review. That's mean number 1 is the option B, number 2 is the option C, number 3 is the option A, and number 4 is the option C. Excellent. Now the part B. Check true or false. Number 5. Flour helps bread dough rise faster. True or false? In that case, is false. Why? Because the ingredient that helps bread dough rise faster is the yeast, is not the flour. Number 6. While dough is in the oven, more gas comes out. In that case, is true. Exactly. If you put the dough in the oven, you obtain more gas. Excellent. C. Write the correct answer. What makes doubt rise more slowly? Okay. If salt is added, the doubt rises more slowly. Okay, remember that part. If you add sugar, okay, the dough rises more faster. But if you add salt, the dough rises more slowly. Exactly. For that reason, in that case, the correct answer is salt. Excellent. Now we pass to page 91. In this case, we develop the graphic organizer and the summary. Okay, we fill in the blanks with the words from the box. For example, we have the cause and effect. Okay, una causa y un efecto. When you make bread, doubt, in that case, the yeast it's the sugar and flour. Exactly. Okay, this one is the cause. When you make bread out, the yeast it's the sugar and also the flour. And what is the effect? The yeast creates gas, and this gas makes the dough rise. I'm sorry. The yeast creates gas, and the gas makes the dough rise. Okay, so let's see. Remember, for every event or every situation, you have a cause. And this cause, if it is good, you have a good effect. But if the cause is bad, you obtain a bad effect. Yes, that's mean a negative effect. For that reason, we try to, okay, develop activities that are good for others and also for me. Yes, okay, so let's review. When you make bread, doubt the yeast, it's the sugar and flour. And the yeast creates gas, and the gas makes the dough rise. Excellent. Step number 2. We complete the summary with the words from the box. Okay, we have yeast, slowly, flour, baking, and bigger. Yes. Okay, bread loaves are much bigger than bread dough because of yeast. Yes. When you make bread dough, the yeast it's the sugar and flour. Then it makes gas. The gas helps the dough rise. Sugar makes it rise faster, and salt makes it rise more slowly in that case. The dough rises even more while it is baking. Thanks to yeast, the bread becomes large and fluffy. Okay, good job. Let's repeat again. Bread loaves are much bigger than bread dough because of yeast. When you make bread dough, the yeast is the sugar and flour. Then it makes gas. The gas helps the dough rise. Sugar makes it rise faster, and salt makes it rise more slowly. The dough rises even more while it is baking. Thanks to yeast, the bread becomes large and fluffy. Okay, excellent job. Thank you for your attention. Thank you very much for paying attention to every activity that we developed today. Okay, you did a good job. And also, I hope that you have a nice day. God bless you a lot.